Ready to turn Excel into a smart business machine? I'm Yura Moraes, and this is Smart Sheet Studio, where we don't just use spreadsheets, we build powerful VBA systems that work for you. Today, I'm introducing the Employee Management System in Excel, a tool designed to automate, simplify, and supercharge your workflow. Let's dive in and make Excel do the heavy lifting. So basically, when you open a system, asks you to log in. We want to put our login information. Once you do that, you can log in the system. Now it tells you welcome, and the main form opens. Now you go to the help version. It tells you the components of the system, and you want to go to the update session, and the update will give you the features. Now it tells you welcome admin, the role is admin, and you want to go to the employee management. Automatically the ID number is generated. You put in the basic information of the employee, put in the date of birth, you want to select the gender, and that can be set, can be customized to include all of the genders that you need. You have the departments. You can now customize that also. Position can also be customized to include the positions that you have. Now the branches, you can also customize that in the admin session. Now you want to include the employee tab, the picture. You have the option to upload the employee photo, and then you can edit employee. If you want to edit employee, you can also do that. So that's the employee form, and we want to close the form now. Now you have the leave management. You can submit your leave application, put in the employee ID, the employee name. You can select the leave tab, and that can also be customized in the admin session. And you want to put the basic information, if the leave is approved or not. And basically that's it for the leave request form. And you have to fill in all of the information before that can go through, and you can view the summary of the leave information. Now you see I did mine, and that was approved. Now you have the attendance. The attendance, you can enter, select the employee, you put the status, and that can also be customized. And you select the employee tab. You want to put the basic information for the employee attendant. And basically you have the attendance report. You can generate your report, or you can generate the report for the attendance. So that's it. You also have the performance management. You can enter the basic information of the employee relates as it relates to performance. You can select the score, that can also be customized. Select the review score. You enter basic information regarding the employee performance, and you can submit. You try submitting incomplete performance, it will tell you no, and you can review the report, the performance report of the employees that you have. Now that's the training. You can enter training record, because you have employees, they have to go through training. You enter the basic information regarding the training of that employee, and you can select the status, that can also be customized, and so you can submit. You try submitting incomplete, it tells you no, and you can also view the various or trainings that your employees have had. Now the documentation section is not working now. That will be in our next version, so still tuned for that, where you can add the employee CV. Now you have the disciplinary action. Disciplinary action, you enter basically all of the information regarding the employee. This can also be customized, the action taken against the employee, and you want to enter all of the basic information. You try submitting incomplete form, it tells you no, you have to fill in all, and you can view the disciplinary actions of their employees. Then you have the asset management. You have to record the termination. If employee is leaving, you have to record the termination of that employee. Now you enter the basic information, that can also be customized. You submit incomplete form, it tells you no, you want to close that. You can view the termination, employees that have been terminated. You can view add the exit interview when the employee was leaving, what they said. This is good. In HR, the exit feedback from the employee that is exiting. You enter the basic information, and you try submitting incomplete exit information, it tells you no. You can also review the exit or information from the employees. Now, these are the reports. You can generate the turnover report, and you can also generate the employee count. These are reports that you can basically generate in Excel. You want to close that, and the admin section, you can import employee database. So if you already have an existing database, you can click on to import employee automatically, and you can export the employee database. And you can also this for also for auditors. And these are the areas where you can do the adjustment. You can customize this to suit your requirement. So that's the leave tab. You enter all of the leave tabs that you have: attendance status, disciplinary action. You can also customize all of these fields as per your requirement. You can add, you can delete. Training, you can also update. You can update the training, you can add it, delete. So that's the admin section. That's the admin section of that. You can do backup, you can log out, you can check for update, which is very important because we do update frequently. So that's it. That's it for the, if you close the form and you click in a cell, the forms reappear. So this is very important. Now, thanks for tuning in. You have just explored Smartsheet Studio, where Excel gets smarter every day. To download this employee management system, just click the link in the video description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more VBA tools to level up your workflow. See you in our next video. Thank you.